This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 DLN is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Tuscany interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 DLN is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.